Hello, everyone. Welcome, guys. Welcome this morning, Saturday morning. This is our Learn to Trade class for beginning traders. All right. So, welcome, guys. Welcome. Go ahead as you come in. Just put your, if you would, just put your name in the chat and just let us know how much experience you've got trading, whether you have no experience at all right, a few weeks, few months, or even a few years, and you're still trying to figure everything out. All right, so just put that, if you don't mind, in the chat for me. So welcome, guys. My name is David Stephenson. I am with Monster Trading Systems. We provide traders with coaching, training, and also trading systems to help you with your trading um, uh, career. All right, so welcome, guys. I won't take long. I know we scheduled for an hour, but we'll go about 30 minutes, a little over 30 minutes. I know it's Saturday, so I don't want to keep you guys long. All right, so but thanks for coming. Again, learn to trade for beginners. All right, learn to trade for beginners. So again, thanks for taking the time Saturday morning to meet with us. All right. Um, Again, my name is David Stephenson with Monster Trading Systems. If you guys haven't had a chance, when you get a chance, go online to monstertradingsystems.com. You'll find tons of good resources, testimonials, success stories of other traders who've gone through the same thing that you've gone through as new traders. All right. So monstertradingsystems.com. All right. And that's me here. All right. You can find some background information on me. I've been trading for over 25 years, guys. So a long time, over 25 years. And we started Monster Trading Systems in 2010. So 14 years now, working with traders, helping traders. We have hundreds of traders all over the world. All right. So welcome, guys. Welcome. All right. Couple of resources, some resources I'm going to give you guys as new traders. I know there's a lot of information out there. All right. But this book here, I'm going to highly recommend this book. All right. It's called Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. All right. Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. How to master the markets with confidence, discipline, and a winning attitude. All right. So as a brand new trader, all right, I highly recommend this book. Okay. Now we do provide this book with our students that do coaching with us free of charge. However, you can also go on YouTube. All right. So don't do it now. After the webinar, you can go on YouTube and just type in Trading in the Zone. It will come up. It's free. You can start listening to the audio book. All right. So master the markets with confidence, discipline, and a winning attitude. All right. A lot of times as new traders, we have an idea of what trading is. All right. And it's usually not the same as what we do when we actually get into trading and start trading. So Trading in the Zone will help you guys understand how we trade, all right, how we trade as professional traders, and then also get you the right mindset. All right, so Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas, good resource as a brand new trader. Highly recommend that book. All right, most of our traders love that book, Trading in the Zone. Get them thinking, trading the right way. All right, couple of other resources I would recommend. All right. Now we do provide this with our coaching students: the ultimate guide to swing trading, the ultimate trading risk management guide, and the ultimate guide to technical analysis. Okay. So swing trading, I'll start with swing trading. All right. Swing trading is where we hold a position overnight. All right, perhaps several days. If the trade works out really, really well, right, perhaps a few weeks. All right, so we don't day trade, right? Most brand new traders, when you come into trading, right, because the term day trading, very popular, right? Now, can you do day trading? Absolutely. But we like to think of ourselves as just traders. All right. So there are times when you can trade intraday or day trade. All right. Most of you, when you trade, you'll be a swing trader. So you'll hold that trade overnight longer. And then there's position trading. All right. That's the type of trading that we do, guys, will be based on the time frame. Okay. So just think a smaller time frame is day trading. So every candle will open and close. All right. Open and close within a smaller time frame. So a 1 minute time frame, 5 minute time frame, 15-minute time frame, 30-minute time frame. Swing trading, longer time frame. All right. So an hour time frame or a 4 hour time frame. All right. Or we call a 240-minute or a 60-minute time frame. That's more swing trading. And then position trading is a daily time frame. So what's cool about the time frames, guys, we can use time frames, okay, to basically schedule the way we want to trade. All right. So if we've got limited time, right, because we've got careers, our jobs, then guess what? We can use a longer time frame. We can do more swing trading or position trading. All right. If we have part-time work, all right, or we have time during the week where we are in front of the market is active, we can do some day trading. All right. So just think of trading as a way to build it with your lifestyle. Okay. So that's what we want to do. We don't want to change all our everything we do, our work schedule around trading. We want trading to be a complement, all right, to our lifestyle. And we can use the type of trading and the time frames to do that. All right. The ultimate guide to risk management. All right. Everything you will do as a brand new trader, and you guys will learn this, is risk management. Okay. Risk management. So our goal in trading is to always look for ways to minimize risk. Okay. So that we have an edge is what we call in trading. So the goal is always to minimize risk. There are many ways to minimize risk. Okay. Getting the right education, having the right foundation. All right. Having resources like trading in the zone. All right. Knowing how to trade. All right. And then setting the right parameters for your trade will minimize risk management. Okay. And then technical analysis, the ultimate guide to technical analysis. All right. So we don't use the news or hearsay. All right. When we trade, we use technical analysis. So we follow a systematic approach, guys. Systematic approach. And we use the technical analysis with charting, right? Candles, charting to give us our edge. All our trades are based on technical analysis. All right. So systematic in approach. All right. Very good. Let's move on. Um, perhaps the number one tip I can give you guys when you get started, most of our best traders have mastered this. Okay. Now I know coming in, right, new to trading, you want to master this. It takes some time. All right. But we need to understand what this is. And this is support and resistance. Okay. You guys have probably heard it in the past. Support and resistance, the keys to your success. It really will be the keys to your success, your foundation. Just realize all of your buying decisions, all of your selling decisions will happen around support and resistance. All right. So all of your buying decisions, all of your selling decisions will happen, right? Right around support and resistance. Okay. Most new traders, the number one question I always get, well, David, where do I buy and then where do I sell? All right. Where do I enter the trade? And then where do I exit the trade? All right. So support and resistance, the keys to your success. Just keep in mind, resistance is made. Think of resistance as your ceiling, where you are at home right now. All right. And the buyers are looking to break resistance to push the price lower. All right. So that the big institutions, we call them big institutions, big hedge funds, money managers can now start to buy. So just know that when the price breaks resistance, that's when we buy. All right, enter the trade. If the price breaks support, that's where we exit, get out of the trade, or what we call go short. All right, but just know this area here between support and resistance. All right, that's where we have a lot of consolidation. All right, or what we call accumulation or distribution. So can you trade between support and resistance? Absolutely. Most new traders, right, will trade between support and resistance. So they'll buy at support, sell at resistance. All right. Can you do that? Absolutely. That's called a range trade. So we're trading the range. All right. You can absolutely trade within support and resistance. But the best trade, all right, is when the buyers break resistance, we can enter into the trade, and now hopefully we can catch a trend. All right, so the best trade is catching that trend where we call the markup phase, and I'll get to that right now. All right, so just remember support and resistance. We're going to start here. All right, so we don't just randomly enter a trade. So as brand new traders, you have to caution yourself, all right, from just entering trades randomly. All right, we need to know exactly, we have to have a plan. So we need to know exactly when we are going to enter. All right, so we need to have a purpose when we trade. We need to know exactly when and where we are going to enter the trade, and then when and where we are going to exit the trade. So we have to have a systematic approach, all right, when we trade. So we want to trade much like professional traders. All right, they have an area where they know, hey, if it reaches that target, they're going to get in. Reaches that target, they're going to get out. Okay, so support and resistance will help us define, all right, our trading. All right, the next, now these slides here, guys, are in your handout in the chat there, so you can download it. I recommend especially support and resistance, and the four market phases we'll go over. Print it out, laminate it, keep it with you guys at all times. Okay, so we start with support and resistance, like right here. All right, and then the first four market phases that every trader must know. The first phase at the bottom there, number one, is the accumulation phase. All right, so that's the support, the bottom there. So price came down to a low. That's the accumulation phase. Second phase is the markup phase. So now price broke resistance, moving higher. All right. The third phase is the distribution phase. So price can't go up anymore, reaches a high, comes down, breaks support. That's where we would exit the trade. All right. So we would buy on a break of resistance, sell on a break of support. All right. So phase one, the accumulation phase, as the price moves higher, breaks resistance, that green line there, we're going to buy. All right. Within the markup phase, phase two, we have reaccumulation. So just think of reaccumulation as new buyers entering the market. And at the very top there, you see distribution. So I know as new traders especially, right, we would like the price, right, our stock, our Bitcoin, whatever, to keep going up. Well, it has to come to a stop, right? So when that does, that's called distribution. Price can't go any higher. Sellers come in, break support. That's where we exit. Once the price breaks support, now it's in the markdown phase. So it's moving lower now. It's in the markdown phase. Within the markdown phase, we have redistribution. All right, redistribution. So we have new sellers, guys. New sellers entering the market to now push the price lower. All right, so can you imagine, right? If you buy a stock or crypto and you're not aware of these phases, and you buy in the markdown, in the markdown phase, or you buy in the distribution phase, now sellers are coming in to push that price lower, and you're in it, and you're wondering, why is it going down? Why isn't it going up? It's supposed to go up, but guess what? You're in the markdown phase. All right. Or imagine, right? Price broke resistance. It's in phase two, in the markup phase, and you're wondering, hey, should I get in? Should I get in? And you don't get in, and all of a sudden you've missed some great trading opportunities in the markup phase. So this right here, guys, this simple chart right here will help you guys, okay, particularly as new traders, be on the right side of the trade. And that's the goal. If we're on the right side of the trade, guys, makes it so much easier, right? We just flow along with the buyers, flow along with the sellers. All right. So we flow along with the buyers. We buy when the buyers are buying, and then we sell, get out, close the trade when the sellers are selling. Okay, so very, very important here. And then it starts all over again with the accumulation phase. So there's only 4 phases: the accumulation, the markup phase, distribution phase, and then the markdown phase. And then within the markup phase, we've got reaccumulation, so new buyers entering the market. And then in the markdown phase, we've got redistribution, new sellers entering the market to push the price lower. And again, starts all over again. All right. All right. A tool. Okay. No experience. All right. Very, very good. Very good. Welcome. Welcome. All right. So again, it starts all over again, guys, with the accumulation phase. So there isn't a 5th phase, 6 that you have, 6 phase that you have to remember. There's only 4. All right. So from today, you guys can look at any price chart, and you should know, hey, is the price settling at the bottom? Is it consolidating? Am I in the accumulation phase? All right. Should I be waiting for buyers to come in? And I'll know that when the price breaks resistance to start to buy. So I should patiently wait. All right. And then is it in the distribution phase? Right? Should I be getting out of the trade now, closing the trade? All right. Should I go short or just wait for the next accumulation phase? Okay. And every price chart, guys, on any time frame will follow this type of price action. Okay. So you have to know this. You have to know this. The 4 market phases that every trader must know. If you don't get anything else today, all right, this morning here, right, get this: support and resistance and the 4 market phases. Okay. All right. Very good. All right. Trend following, as I mentioned before, right? Can you trade between support and resistance? Absolutely. You can trade between support and resistance. Just know that, buyers are not in control. There's no control there. You can buy at support, but, just know that that's in sellers' territory. So sellers could come in and push the price lower. All right. And you have a very defined range. Right? So the only profit that you could really make is between support and resistance. Whereas when we get into the markup phase, when we get into the trend, that trend can last as long as possible. Okay. So I hear a lot of traders, new traders, ask me, hey, David, well, I've heard that you can trade, you can buy at support and sell at resistance, buy at support and sell at resistance. Absolutely. But just know this is more risky type of trading. Okay. The better trade is, right, waiting for the big institutions, hedge funds to buy. We'll know that they're buying when the price breaks resistance. All right. So very different type of trading. Now you can do a combination of both, but just know that the range trade, little riskier. Okay. Especially for new traders. All right. Trend following is what we do. So we capture the trend. As new traders, guys, you'll be tempted to try to buy at the bottom, okay, because the price is cheap or low. All right. So you have to guard yourself from that. All right. Just because the price is moving lower doesn't mean that we should be entering the trade. It could go much lower. All right. Like here, right? The chart here. So we want to enter, right, when the price breaks resistance. And that price will normally not be the very lowest price. All right. And as a new trader, just caution yourself for not to look for the lowest price. Look for the price where the institutions are now buying. And we'll know that when the price breaks resistance. All right. So you might want to, guys might want to write this down. We want to buy when the price breaks resistance because the buyers are in control. So that's where we're going to enter. Not when we want to enter, when the buyers are in control, that's when we want to buy. All right. So we want to piggyback on the big institutions, big hedge funds. Okay. We want to piggyback on their trades. We want to sell, not when we want to sell, but when the institutions, right, as retail traders, which is what we are, we can control the price. So we want to wait when the big institutions sell, exit for us to now exit the trade. We'll know that when the price breaks support. All right. So trend following here, this little chart here. All right. Between support, between the enter, where you enter, and then where you exit, we'll never get the bottom. We'll never get the very top. We're going to get the middle. So I call that the meat of the trade, the middle part of the trade. All right. The sweet part of the trade, perhaps your easiest part of the trade there. All right. The meat of the trade. So that's trend following. All right. Now, guys, we do coaching. So if you're here, I assume you're new traders. All right. You're new traders, no experience. I recommend some coaching. So we have coaching for beginning traders. Most beginning traders that come with us, start with us, right? Join our group, our trading group here. Get the beginning coaching. All right. So beginning coaching, we do 4 hours a month, 1 hour per week for 4 weeks. We have intermediate coaching. That's for traders that have been with us here for a bit longer, want to get some more coaching, intermediate coaching. All right, 8 hours. We do 1 hour per week for 4 weeks. And then advanced coaching. That's for traders that are doing really, really well. And then they want to take their trading to the next level, right? Take their income to the next level. We do 1 hour per week for 6 weeks. That's the advanced coaching. Most 99% of our traders coming in as beginning traders will do the beginning coaching with me. All right. Yes, we have a ton of testimonials, guys, on the website, success stories. All right. This is one of our traders here, Dean, and we have tons of traders. This is one of our traders here, Dean, done really, really well. All right. Has several trading systems. He's done the advanced coaching with us, done really, really well. Every month he does consistently, does really, really, really well. Okay. Another trader. Now, Dean here has had some experience, had years of experience, still trying to figure things out. Came to us, got him on the right track. Really very good trader now. One of our most consistent traders. Okay. So just read his stories. You guys should have the handout there. And then another one of our traders, Saga. All right. Saga here, never traded before. Okay. So Atul, I think that's the right way to pronounce your name. Some very much like you, right? No experience trading. I'm very proud of him. Look at him now. All his monitors here and doing really, really well. So whenever you guys get a chance, just go on the website, read the success stories of our traders. Okay. And I just want to say thanks. I told you guys this would be quick. All right. So I just want to say thanks for coming. All right. Again, go to the website. Go ahead. Right. Read that book, Trading in the Zone. You don't have to get the book. You can go online. All right, you can go online. Um, uh, yes, where do you find the price? This price. All right, just go to the website. So the link is there, monstertradingsystems.com. Let me give it to you again. So www.monstertradingsystems.com. All right, so just go to the website, go to coaching, and you'll find that information there. The book I was saying here, so Trading in the Zone, again, don't buy the book. All right. But if you guys are serious about trading, um, we're done with the webinar. You can go online, go into YouTube, type in Trading in the Zone right here. All right. And start listening, getting that knowledge. Okay. All right, guys. Hey, have a great weekend. If you're in the US and you love football, all right, the Super Bowl is tomorrow. So enjoy it. Hope your team wins. All right. All right, guys. Take care. Have a good weekend. Bye bye.